Hello, in this video I will show you how to bypass parental control on Motorola Moto G54. So you have to start with opening your Google application. Now click on your avatar and click on manage your Google account. Then click on data and privacy and scroll down. Now click on delete your Google account. Then click on continue and then click on use PIN and you have to enter your lock screen PIN. Now scroll down again and check these two checkboxes and then click delete account. Now your account has been deleted, so let's recover your account, and you can use that. You do that by using Google Play, for example, and then click sign in. And now you have to enter your email address. And now, as you can see, my account is deleted, so let's click next to recover it. And now I have to enter my password. Now scroll down and click accept. And now, as you can see, I'm logged back into my account. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.